Jeanette, you're up. So good to see you, Emery Asphalt.
Hey, how are you?
Amazing
Uh,
you.
I'm doing okay, thank you. I have a question. So, what is the best company, or what would your recommendation be for building your website? I built mine myself, but me and Chuck are actually we're just talking about this recently, and yeah, it was good for when we first started just to have something, but honestly, I want something, but there's so many marketing companies out there, and it's just like, which one's the best one? I know there's a bunch of Google reviews that did reviews, but at the end of the day, like, who would you recommend to build a website?
I'm biased on this one because I literally last year made the decision that we're going to use our in-house team at Asphalt Kingdom, who has built the hell out of our company to a multi-eight-figure company, to literally start doing this for our clients. And so we literally just launched this last fall. You can probably see this, but this is not, we generally are not like marketing this heavily, but this is available. Literally building your brand, building your digital presence, brand design, website design, social media, digital marketing. We're doing it all in-house. I've spoken this language for 25 years. It's all like literally from the time I was, in my 19, 20 years old to where it is now. Here's Dom Manzo and Alan Rosario's brand. Dom, what's happening? Coach Dom in the house. What's up, buddy? But this is Dom's business. This is the branding package that we did for them. We're doing a full digital build out for them and the team, but we literally go into the depths of all this. So Jeanette, we're happy to explore this, or for anybody that's interested in learning more about this, we are using, again, just to be clear, we are not a company that is a web design company. We are online business builders. Like, that's what we do. It's so different than building a pretty site. And you can go, just to be clear, you can go get a pretty site built for $1,000, but it doesn't mean that it's going to do what you need it to do. And so when I ask you about how your site's performing, what does your traffic look like? What does your traffic to lead conversion look like? What does your lead to close from your website look like? And how is that building your intellectual property value for your company so that you actually have something that you can actually sell one day, right? And so that's the difference. So Jeanette, yeah, we do all of that now.
I will be looking into that as soon as possible. It's just a nightmare doing this. It's just like, I want to pull your hair out.
Listen, for literally AK celebrated 21 years of being in business. And of course, I'm not here to pitch everybody on it, but I'm just like, you know what, screw it. I'm not going to be sending people to a web designer anymore. We have to use our in-house copywriting team that speaks Asphalt.
Right.
And we're going to use our AK team. Like Mercy, for example, is our marketing director. We've got our content people. We've got Mario. We've got our writers. Amy, our CEO, who's literally built Asphalt Kingdom with me. We're literally using our core team of people at AK to build this out for you guys. There's all kinds of opportunities around what we can do here. It really depends how we can custom tailor something that matches your needs. And so we have to ask you, where do you want to go? And then based upon where you want to go, we back up from there and we say, we think that this is a good solution right now to invest into, and let's continue to scale and grow that so we can get to where you desire to go.
Okay. Thank you.
Great question. Thank you.
If you like this video, go ahead and check out this video, or check out this video. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe right here below.